Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I am going to show you how to fix network issue. Now you see here no internet access message shown here. Okay, now check network connection. Right click on network. Okay, now click on show more option. Click on property. Now click on change adapter setting. Now you see here network adapter is not shown. I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Check once in manage. Right click on this PC. Click on show more option, click on manage. Now click on device manager. Now you see here drivers option. There is a network is not shown here. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Now click on start, click on setting, click on network and internet, click on advanced network setting. Now click on network reset. Now click on this network reset option. Or if you want to reset, okay, click on yes. After this step PC will be reboot. Now check after PC reboot, first reboot system, restart, click on restart. Okay, after restart, now check here network is shown, internet access. Okay, problem is fixed. Now click on network, click on show more option, click on property. Now click on change adapter setting. Now you see here network is shown. Now click on status. Now you see internet is now working fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.